Orisirisi meat stew or assorted meat stew requires assorted type of meat in the stew. I am going to use cowleg, shaki or tripe, kpomo or cow skin, and beef kidney. Other ingredients for the stew include crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, fresh pepper or habanero pepper, onions, and vegetable oil. So let's start cooking the stew. We're going to add the vegetable oil to a pot and let it heat for some minutes, and so that we can fry the assorted meats. So just allow it to heat up for some minutes. So we add the meats and start frying the assorted meat in batches. I'm starting off by frying the kidney. So fry the kidney, and then I'm going to fry the cow leg. After frying the cow leg, I'm going ahead to fry also the thick cow skin or kpomo, and then before we start cooking the stew. So don't forget also you can fry the shaki. Once we're done frying the meats, we're going to start cooking the stew. So we start by frying the onion that is already sliced. Allow it to fry for some time. Next, add the tomatoes. Fry the tomatoes. So this is already ground or crushed tomatoes. It's fresh tomatoes. So turn it very well. Next we're going to add the sliced habanero pepper. So you can grind your fresh pepper or habanero pepper if you want to. For me, I like to just dice the pepper. Then you add the tomato paste to thicken the stew. Add the tomato paste to make the stew thick and also it adds to the color, gives it that red and juicy look. So cover the stew to heat a little bit, then later open and add rosemary leaf. So add these spices, a little bit of rosemary leaf, and then add some thyme leaf as well. So I like to add both of them, but if you don't have both, you can use either of the thyme leaf or rosemary leaf. Next, I'm going to add some curry powder. So curry is very good, gives it that spicy taste also, and also add some Maggi bouillon powder. So turn it very well, mix it, and taste to see. It's always good to add your Maggi before adding salt. So when you taste and you see the salt is not enough, then you can add a little bit of salt to taste. So finally, you can now add the fried assorted meats to the stew. Can mix very well, mix this stew very well, and also turn the stew at the bottom so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom of the pot. Yeah, it looks very yummy now. So cover the stew to cook for like 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. And after then the stew will be ready. Now it's ready, and you can serve this stew with rice. You can eat it also with yam, cooked yam. You can eat it with fried plantain. You can eat this assorted meat stew. You can use it to with fufu also. If you have some vegetable on the side, you can also use it to eat your fufu. So my assorted meat stew is ready. Please subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.